This is a step-by-step presentation on how to stain your own cheek cell by Viviana Arellano. For the materials of this lab, you will need a microscope, a slide, a cover slip, a dropper, water, tweezers, a specimen, which in this case your cheek cell, and methylene blue. The first step of the procedure is to make sure that your slide and your cover slip are clean and free of any smudges. Next, you will use the dropper to place a drop of water on the middle of the slide. You will then scrape the inside of your cheek with the top half of the toothpick and roll that tip of the toothpick into the drop of water. For step 5, you will place a drop of the methylene blue on top of the drop of water, making sure that you don't stain any of your clothing or your hands. Next, you will place the slide of the cover slip on the slide and drop it to cover the drop of water slowly and from an angle as is shown on the top right image. After you have completely covered the drop of water with the cover slip, place a piece of paper towel at any side of the cover slip to remove as much water as possible, as is shown on the lower right. Once you have removed as much water as possible, you will then begin to look at your cheek cell. When you first begin to do this, make sure that your microscope is turned on and connected to a light source. Then, place your slide on the stage and make sure it does not move with the stage clips. Then, make sure the light of your microscope is turned on and start looking at your cheek cell with a low power objective lens and making sure to focus with the coarse adjustment knob as needed. You will then rotate through all 3 objective lenses, making sure that your image is focused using the coarse or fine adjustment knob. Once this is done, you will see results as shown. The first image from left to right is a low power, the second one is the middle, and the third one being that high power objective lens of your cheek cell.